experience was excellent and very, very pleasant. They over-delivered. They were very professional, attention to the detail, and anything that we brought to their attention, any issues, they addressed all of them. I am really thankful for what they did, how they transformed the kitchen. It made a huge difference in our house and in our experience. That being said, I'm really thankful for all of the team. It goes to John, to Ibu, Aisha, Eric, Bat, Hero, and Pato. All of the team, they were really amazing, excellent attitude, and we would love to give them other projects.
Absolutely. They
We're
were
really
absolutely
thankful.
amazing professional from the day one where we met John, and he came and gave us wonderful ideas to actually us thinking about what we wanted. We sat with Aisha, the designer, multiple times, and we changed and rechanged, and they were very patient. They were very helpful. We really didn't feel like we were pushed in any way to just go ahead with the project. We took our time, we designed everything. There were things that I'm sure they went out of their way to get done for us. For example, this countertop, which I'm sure was extra work, but they delivered with the price. They quoted us on something that was much more simpler than this. I had the pleasure of being at home multiple times. I came in, I said, I like this, I don't like this, and they changed it. They cleaned everything every day. There was not a speckle of dust here, and the other area and the two rooms are connected to each other. We're absolutely happy, 100%, absolutely recommend without any reservations. If you think you're gonna do a home project, these are the people to talk to. Absolutely love the kitchen. It delivered the way it was supposed to be, but we didn't know that actually functionally using it was so much better than what we thought. Thumbs up, it was absolutely great.